This is my West Point Bridge design project. I built it with the engineering U firm. So here's my design brief. So my client company was just the city of Urbandale, and it was the target consumer was its citizens. I was the lead engineer, and so the problem was that they need a new bridge so that they can travel across the city. The bridge needs to connect over a gap that goes over a river, but it needs to be as cheap as it can. And the criteria is that it needs to cross the river valley while holding itself, as well as a large truck. So these are the two bridges made. This is my cheapest bridge that I could get to. And this is my fun bridge that I just built for fun. So my design summary, at first, I tried to do it at a high sea level, but it was like really hard because you need so many more materials and you need a lot of different types of materials so that you can keep it all together. And then anyways, regardless of what you use, it's still always so much more expensive to do than to just excavate. So when I excavated, it made everything much cheaper and it made everything much easier to build, and I could build a much simpler bridge with less materials and less air to break the bridge. So my cheapest bridge was $276,735.58, and it was all made out of steel bars. There was no hollow bars, and the excavation was at its lowest point. And my fun bridge was $906,097.85, and it's the same thing. There was all steel bars with no hollow bars, but I started at the highest point, and I needed more materials so that I could keep the bridge stable and balanced, but altogether that just costed much, much more than to just excavate. So there are my test animations. This is my cheapest bridge. Very simple. And this is the fun bridge.